Today I'm going to show you how to earn a free sub on Twitch. Step 1. Search your apps for Samsung members. Step 2. Click on Benefits tab. Step 3. Go through your Benefits tab and look for something that says click on $5 Twitch reward. Step 4. Click on the View Coupon. Now mine has already been redeemed, but once you click on this, it'll actually take you to its page. You could redeem your own code and earn your free $5 towards your next sub. Once you earn your reward, you can actually go to the twitch.tv/JoeFreezy page and redeem that with us. Once you do that, you can actually bring it back to the community, where we will actually purchase gift cards to give back to viewers like you.